First, clear up the materials to be replaced. Then pour in the materials to be packed. Adjust the width of the vibration L. Adjust to wider for big materials. Adjust to narrow for small materials. Adjust the width of the hanging plate. Adjust to wider for big materials. Adjust to narrow for small materials. Test it after adjustment. Follow the previous method and then adjust the width of the second part. Lock the screws after adjustment. Adjust the width of part 10 in the same way. Then we adjust the L width at the exit of the vibrating plate. Lock the screws after adjustment. Then adjust the height of the press board. Lock the screws after adjustment. Then we adjust the orbit. For large materials, adjust to 1 hole up. For small materials, adjust to 1 hole down. Then we adjust the width of the outer orbit according to the material. Lock the screws after adjustment. At last, adjust the height of the orbit pressing plate. The pressing plate should have a distance about 2 mm from the material. When adjusting, pay attention to the smoothness when the material is passing. The width of the L should also be adjusted according to the materials.